Save you a lot of labor, and a lot of money, and a lot of time. Battery operated, extendable on a pole, pruner. Yeah. If you've got bamboo and you're trying to cut it and you're trying to like cut back or cut it all down, it can be very, very expensive. If you want to have someone to come in with some heavy equipment, or if you want to rent some sort of like mulching or deforestation tool or some sort of excavator or whatever, you're looking at thousands and thousands of dollars. And you know, there's all kinds of other risk factors involved when you look at heavy equipment. And I don't know about you guys, but in this current economy, I think if you can do it yourself, DIY, it's the way to go. The thing about cutting this bamboo is you can't just cut it down like waist high. You can't just cut it a foot high. You have to cut it down to the ground or possibly below the ground. The reason for that is if you don't cut it down to the ground, then basically you have a bear trap in your backyard or your front yard, which literally could cutting this stuff not all the way to the ground is a serious hazard. Okay, so if you don't have a tool on an extension pole, then you have to sit down on your butt and cut it down as low as you can, just for safety reasons. Not only is the kids playing, maybe you have a neighbor kid over that's not aware. You just don't want to leave these bamboo stalks cut above the ground. I've used chainsaws, I've used regular like loppers or cutters, I've used hacksaws, I've put the Forster blade on a chainsaw, I've used mini chainsaws, bigger gasoline chainsaws, machete, pretty much anything you can think of I have tried. And I promise you, the way to go is pruners that are strong enough to cut it, and if you can put it on some sort of extension pole to keep you from having to get down on your hands and knees or your butt, is the way to go. An area that would have took me probably half of a year to cut, I literally did it in like 2-3 days. And this was sort of taking my time. If I wanted to do it all in one day, I could have with this tool.